Welcome to Health Channel. For coming videos, please subscribe this channel and get the videos instantly informed. Dear students of Standard 4, today we will try to solve some questions from Subject General Knowledge, Chapter 1, Famous People. You will have only 10 seconds for assuming the correct answer. Now ready for the educational Question number 4. The meaning of the Mongolic word Dalai is dash. First option, mountain. Second option, sky. Third option, ocean. Fourth option, teacher. Year, time, stars, now. Correct answer is Correct answer is 4. Question number 8. Who won the National Award for the Best Director 6 times, the most by any filmmaker? First option, Satyajit Ray. Second option, Anurag Kashyap. Third option, Mani Ratnam. Fourth option. First option, Cristiano Ronaldo. Second option, Narayana Murthy. Third option, 14th Dalai Lama. Fourth option, Sania Mirza.
Year, time, stars.
First option 1951. Second option 1961. Third option 1971. Fourth option 1981.
Year, time, stars. For watching Help EDUCARE channel. For coming videos, please subscribe this channel and get the videos instantly informed.